Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 10 and we would like to present to you about our project which is in advanced material in sport equipment. So, our presentation includes the introduction, application and material use, advantage and comparison to previous metal, and also the processing method use. So I would like to proceed to the introduction. According to Callister Jr. and Redwish, advanced material are defined as material that are used in high innovation application. These advanced material are commonly traditional material whose properties have been upgraded and furthermore recently grew elite material, and the material are also typically costly. So some example of advanced material are as follows. First, polymer fiber composite, metallic glasses, ultra transparent silica glass, aerogel, high strength aluminium alloy, and also super strength fiber. Next, the Easterling state that enhancement is extremely the keyword in the creation of the present sport equipment. Materials are ordinarily portrayed by different mechanical property and aesthetic properties, and cost are important properties that need to take account when designing sport equipment. So it is important to design and use the latest and advanced material that can give the most advantage that the end user can get when competing in sports. For presentation. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Minin and I'm going to present about the advantages and the material use. Okay, application and material use. Okay, we choose cycling. Cycling is a use of bicycle sport, recreation and transportation. The sport of cycling consists of professional amateur races which held in mostly continent of Europe, United States and Asia. Sterling stated that different game gear presents different challenges to the bike that it made of a very complex material. So in this presentation, we will discuss the bicycle frame, the bicycle wheels, the bicycle tires, and the bicycle accessories. Okay, we will discuss the advantages and the use of the advanced material in sport cycle. Okay, the application for bicycle frame. Okay, before bicycle were used to make from bamboo frame, but with recent technologies, the frame is made from steel. For currently, the use of advanced material which are titanium and aluminium combination, and also they use carbon fibers frames. Okay, the advantages of using advanced material compared to the previous material. Okay, aluminium and titanium combination and carbon fiber frame is lightweight compared to steel. Carbon fiber has the same strength as steel but is more lightweight compared to the steel. Okay, that's all for me. My friend is going to continue this presentation. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Fifi Daniel bin Salamat. So today I will talk about application and material use for bicycle tire. So before, we are using vulcanized rubber with steel or iron brake. So we are using advanced material which is vulcanized rubber with Kevlar. Next, what are the advantages of using advanced material compared to previous material? So Shift 2015 stated that Kevlar is a synthetic fiber that is about 5 times stronger than steel. Kevlar is used as a bit in place of steel for weight reduction and strength over the conventional rubber tires with iron bands. Next, Next, I will talk about application and material use for bicycle wheels. So before, we are using reinforced steel. So now, after we are using advanced material, we are using carbon fiber. So next, what is the advantage? Carbon fiber has good mechanical properties such as excellent strength, rigidity and hardness. The great mechanical properties do not compromise the weight of the material due to the material is lightweight. This advanced material also provide a good abrasion. Next, I will talk about application and material use for bicycle accessories. So for bicycle seats, before we are using leather. So by using advanced material, we are using lightweight nylon. So for brake, before we are using plastic, now we are using acetal resin. So what are the advantages? Nylon is used due to its good mechanical properties that can withstand wear. This makes it nylon bicycle seats that possess a lengthy durability. Nylon is also lightweight compared to the previous material that is leather and also provide comfort to the rider themselves. Acetal resin, which are used in brake levers, gear changes and power switches. It is known for their excellent wear resistance, low coefficient of friction and abrasion resistance. So that's all from me. Thank you.
I will explain about the processing method used. Processing method used for the bicycle frame. The traditional steel tube construction consists of several segments which are bored and braced into the steel socket to form the complete frame. The frame is produced by the monocule manufacturing method. The mold is completely sealed with a vacuum bag before being moved onto the debug phase. Debugging is a process in between layup and a curve where you apply vacuum and some heat to the part and draw out as much air as possible before curing. The curing process increases the internal pressure incrementally with the goal of pushing the piles to the utmost parts of the mold. After curing, the frame is extracted from its mold and the internal air bladder and preforms are removed. The dropout seat stay and chain stay are then bounded with the front triangle. When done right, monocule design produce an incredibly strong and lightweight product, all with a minimum overlap of material.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rizwan. Now I will proceed where my friend left is the processing method used to produce bicycle wheels. Each rim is made from varying densities of carbon fiber to give the rim a long-lasting structure. Each carbon fiber piece is precision cut to the exact specification of the carbon rims it will become. Each rim or wheels are constructed of several different carbon layers laid along different angles and patterns to make one sound resilient unit. This unique design makes up a core pattern that makes the carbon rims strong and durable. The basalt braking surface or surface layer of carbon rims is placed into the mold first and then the full layup is put into the mold. After removal of the mold, each carbon fiber rim is thoroughly inspected for roundness, lateral measurement and weight to make sure the unit is exactly to spec. The cleaning and smoothing of the rims is one of the most time-consuming process because of the attention to details in making sure to deliver a dedicated carbon fiber bike wheels. Now I will continue on the processing method to produce bicycle tire. The first step in tire manufacturing process is the mixing of raw materials to form the rubber compound. Each mix is then remilled with additional heating to soften the batch and mix the chemicals. The batch goes through a mixer again where additional chemicals are added to form what is known as the final mix. Then it goes through powerful rolling mills that squeeze the batch into thick sheets. The sheets are then used to make the specific part of the tire. Steel beds are placed around the tire to reinforce strength and provide rigidity. Kevlar coat is added for extra strength, puncture resistance and durability. A tire is placed inside a large mold for curing process. Time in the mold depends on the characteristic desired in the tire. After curing is complete, the tire is removed from the mold for cooling and then testing. Each rubber is thoroughly inspected for flaws such as bubbles or void in the rubber of the tread, sidewalls and interior of the tire. Okay, that's all from our group. We finish our presentation here. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.